Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to seal our shop floor. As you can see, this is a quick view of our shop.
What you got for me?
I got your #1 fan. Probably your first fan.
Oh,
Your #1 fan, man.
high dollar.
High dollar right there.
Okay, got the floor cleaned up for the most part. We're just gonna do these sections here because they're empty.
We're going to use this muriatic acid to open the pores of the concrete and allow us to seal it.
Smells delicious.
Rotten eggs.
Ugh. But it works. Time to take a break and go get some grub and go down the old Wendy's and get some food.
Some old spicy chicken nuggets. I'm glad they brought them back. Thank you, Wendy's.
We just got in this Goodyear professional cable reel,
How big is that thing? What is that, about 50 feet?
40 feet.
40 feet. Nice. Nice. Man, you know what? That would look perfect right over there on the wall. Man, you put that right there. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what it's
Waiting
looks
on
like.
this floor to dry.
Yeah, while we wait for this acid to finish drying up, we might as well not waste time.
Check it out.
Man, that thing's packaged pretty good.
Got bolts.
We don't need instructions.
Yeah, we got bolts and everything.
Nice.
But you know what? I won't be able to use those bolts.
You need lag bolts.
So I've got some light bolts. I just haven't found them, and then we'll put it up.
All right.
The acid just about dry. It's time to rinse.
of using the sealer to protect the floor. So any type of leaks that we have, we can clean them up easily and quickly.
Due to the warm temperatures, upper 90s, we can't seal until later this evening. So I've come back. Temperatures finally cooled down. We can now seal the floor. So let's get to it. All right, this side is done. Once that cures for a couple days, we'll do the other side. It looks really streaky, but that's just, there was no way to get all of it off. We spent tons of time power washing it, but it just, no matter how much time we spent, we couldn't get everything up, but I don't think it'll hurt too much. It's just deep within the pores of the concrete. So I still think it looks pretty cool, even if it looks a little streaky. I think it looks awesome. But yep, we'll get to the rest as soon as this cures for a couple days. As you can see, I'm getting everything moved to the other side. Now that everything is dried, the floor is good to go. So it's the next day, and now it's time to start the last bit. And this floor will be good. Spread some acid. I gotta clean it off, spread some acid, hose it off again, and then put some sealer down. Be a couple more days before it's completely done, but still, I'll be glad to have it done. I've got a lot of cool projects coming for you guys. What do I do with all this? I don't want to get rid of it. It's good burning material. Or building material. And done. Made short work of that. This is still going to be my my fire pit wood pile, but I have to build a container for it. And then starting at this post, or probably a little bit to the right, we'll start my workbench. It's going to go all the way to there, and then another 13 feet over to about where the toolbox is. Lots of plans coming, lots of projects, lots of ideas. So stay tuned. Okay, got her all cleaned up. Next stage is power washing. Getting all this grime and whatever's left of the dirt and mud, getting it all cleaned off. But unfortunately, I don't have to wait. It's gotten late on me. I didn't get out here till late tonight, so I do have a day job. This is it. All right. See you tomorrow.